Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online presence with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Wix website and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your site settings. Select the settings option on the left-hand menu. Click on Privacy and Security to explore your security options. Enable SSL encryption for your site to secure data transmission. This ensures that data exchanged between your site and its visitors is encrypted. Next, review the site visibility settings. Choose whether to make your site completely public or password protected. If you select password protection, set a strong password. This adds an extra layer of security for your visitors. Now, go to the Account Settings section. Update your password to something complex and unique. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This provides an additional verification step during login. Next, review your connected apps and services under the Integrations tab. Remove any that you no longer use or recognize. Regularly update all apps connected to your Wix account. This helps ensure that you are protected from vulnerabilities. Make sure to monitor your site's activity regularly. Check for any unusual logins or changes made to your site. Consider implementing backup solutions. Wix offers an automatic backup feature for your website. Regularly backup your data to protect against loss. Finally, familiarize yourself with Wix's security resources and guidelines. Stay updated on best practices for maintaining your online security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.